Hello and welcome. My name is Kalyan Verma. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Xcelsius map components, and I'm going to show you a small demo on how to create a map component and then bind it to the data. At the same time, drive a chart based on the selection on the map. Basically, we're going to create an interactive map which drives a column chart. Maps are widely used in dashboards these days. Interactive maps in Flash are widely used. The geographical significance of information is at the utmost importance for many organizations, spanning across various countries or states or continents. In such a case, while building dashboards for such organizations or metrics, one of the requirements might be using a map for easy picking of the geography instead of giving them a drop down. Giving the user a map will be more interactive and intuitive. Xcelsius comes with a variety of maps. If you go to the components and expand the maps category, you can see a variety of maps from countries by region to countries by states to continents, the entire world map, etc., etc. I would encourage you to go ahead and explore each and every map, but for this example, we're gonna show you how to create a simple USA map and bind it to the underlying data to drive a column chart. So all Xcelsius map components come with pre-built regions. So if you're working with a map of United States, the regions could be various states. So let's go ahead and quickly drag and drop the USA map onto the canvas. Before that, we'll go ahead and look at the underlying spreadsheet. I have the states with the average revenue. At the same time, I have the revenue for various months to feed my column chart, which we're going to design in just a moment. For now, let's focus on the map. So I just dragged and dropped the map onto the canvas, and I'll first define my region keys. I'll map my region keys to the state abbreviations, the short names, the two-letter short name of the state, which will automatically put the region key next to the region. So for Alabama, it's AL, Alaska, AK, and etc., etc. So you need to be careful while organizing or arranging the list of keys, because if your data returns in a different order, you need to make sure that it's in the alphabetical order of the state names. So since we have the region keys set, now we'll go ahead and give the display data. Display data is nothing but the data which you see when you hover over a state. So let's give it as the average revenue. Once that is done, we're going to set the insertion type to feed our column chart. So we would like to insert the selected state row from the source data into the destination cells, which we have colored in yellow on the top. So we have the chart. If you observe, the first state is selected by default. You can always change that option if you want to. You can always go to behavior and change the default selected state. For example, your primary focus is California. Always go ahead and change the region. For now, we will keep it as the first state, that is Alabama. Now we have the map ready, so let's do a quick preview. There you go. If I hover over, I see the display data, which we have mapped it. And when I click, what's happening in the background is it's inserting the selected states data into the yellow cells. So let's go ahead and map a column chart to the yellow cells so that it becomes dynamic. Let's open the charts category, select a column chart, put it on the canvas, and add a series, give the series name as the state short name, values as the inserted values for revenue, and the labels as the month name. So we can give the chart title as revenues by state, and also the subtitle as the state name. So within no time we have a map and a column chart, interactive, so we can go ahead and preview and see what happens. So it's Alabama. If I switch to Texas, the chart changes. The chart becomes dynamic based on the selected state. You can see the numbers of that state. So it's pretty easy. They have predefined regions for each and every Xcelsius map component. Go ahead and explore more. I hope you learned about something about maps in Xcelsius. Have a great day. Thank you.